down here. Yeah. It's just that little bit hitting the freaking gas right there.
Totally right, yeah. Oh, you would like that too, by the way. So is this similar to the Blue Angel Leopard, size-wise?
A little bit bigger.
Oh, wow.
This is a 4092. The other one's 4082, so it's 10 millimeters longer.
Since his, he got a nice fucking motor. But still, you've had that shit forever.
I've had it forever. I flew that remember the time I flew the F-15 over there?
Yeah.
That's the motor that was in it. Yeah. I had to clean it out before I put it in this. Because it still had residual on it.
You still got the F-15?
Oh, yeah. I just have to put servos in it.
That's still your baby.
Yep. This is starting to,
Take over for
this is getting close.
Oh, yeah.
I love this one.
Especially now that you've got the lights because you fly at night.
Gear up.
This one's got twins, so it looks a little... Right.
See, it speeds up when he's climbing.
Dang.
Yeah, it's heavy, but it's got a lot of power.
Yeah.
Once you pick up your momentum, it just holds it.
Exactly.
Because that's below half right there.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
But that, I just can't get over how it just, you just yank it and it goes. Let me do that in front so you can see it again. If you pull away just the right amount, you'll see the twins.
Wow, let's see. Oh, yeah. And they're completely out of the way.
Yeah. It's hard to do, but I think it looks cool. There's other things I need to try.
Pain in the ass to get them in there?
Yeah, because I had to do a lot of grinding. This is the 6,000 pack too.
Oh, I see the flickering on the bottom.
Yeah.
Time remaining 1 minute.
That's what always blows people away right there.
Yeah, because that looks real.
Just freaking.
Thing spoils you because you can't do that with anything else.
Yeah, and you can't whip an elevator.
No, it'll stall.
That Blue Angel especially. That Leopard, if I yank the elevator,
Oh, it stalls, yeah.
quick. It's always easy to recover though, as long as you're in it, you know.
Right.
You feel it. Like, oh, that was
6.
Yeah, I mean, I just fake it like I meant to roll.
Put the
You
nose
know.
down and you're good.
I'll roll with it. And Frank was laughing at me because I said that's what you do. You just roll with it.
Yeah. Can't beat that jet.
I'm weird too. I don't use flaps.
Oh, for landing?
No.
No need it. Look at that. Hell yeah. That's how you do it. He's waving at us.
Hello.
They do that shit at the air show.
Yep.
As they're taxiing.
Go up and down like that. The vector thrust sounds cool when they're taxiing.
Now that I guess they took and they changed it. Now Top Gun, they have the electrics now.
Oh, they do. Yeah, they do. Yeah, I heard that.
They changed it. Yeah. About time.
That's it. That's an old setup, but it works good in this thing.
Yeah.